What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We're living like this could be our final day. We're dreamers. Don't care what the others say. We're doing this in our own way.
In this episode, we head to Sorong to do our visa renewal and biometrics. We anchor just off Dom Island and are surrounded by many beautiful big Phinisi boats.
Visa renewal day.
Ew. Hopefully we're the first ones there, first in, best dressed. We shall see.
So it's immigration day, or visa renewal day today. We've just anchored up at the Marina Star, or left the dinghy at the Marina Star. And we're heading into town now, try and get a BMO. We're gonna go to another bloke's place who we had to get our documents sent to. So his name is Victor, great guy, really good guy. So we're gonna go pick up our documents and my new drone. You might have noticed we haven't put much drone footage up lately, because ours went a little haywire and ended up in the water. So anyway, it was inevitable, it was always bound to happen. Yeah, g'day mate. So yeah, we'll go and pick up a few new things, but we'll keep you posted.
Yep, that's a spider on my neck.
Where are we? Sorong. Sorong is copyright.
I've now grown accustomed to sweating in such a humid environment that I thought it was just sweat.
McDonald's?
Don't worry, I brushed it off in the end.
Africa.
Not knowing if it would be acceptable, I didn't film while we were in immigration, but this is where we went. Once we were done at immigration, we took a short walk to the local shopping centre. Charlize was caught dancing in the Mr. DIY discount store. She got a little embarrassed when I pulled the camera out though. We caught the Tassie Devil BMO on the way back with our groceries.
There's like 5 of them. Hello.
Yeah, try not to splash the water in the boat. It's pretty
Mate,
gross.
I'm gonna have to keep the nose up though, otherwise we're gonna get smashed. This is gonna be very fun, this trip.
And like a kid with a new toy, Brendan couldn't wait to unbox his drone.
Is that how it goes?
That's how my mum fed me until I was like 19.
That explains a lot.
Hey baby, hey. Oh, the boys say.
As the sun went down, the mosques began to sing. And the sunset just got better and better. We were so pleased to have a brief catch up with our friends on Oceaneer who were now returning to Australia.
Right, morning all. I'm sure I showed you guys before, probably in Cairns when I made this system, but I just thought I'd give you a little bit of a demo on how it operates. This is our fuel polishing system. Due to the fact that sometimes the fuel quality in Indonesia isn't exactly up to standard and quite often has a fair bit of water and a fair few impurities in it, we just designed this little system here with a Raycor fuel filter and fuel drain with a mechanical gear pump which has reverse polarity sense in it as well, so I can switch the direction of this gear pump. And look, so all we do, we just go to shore, or you know, they'll bring out the fuel in jerrys for us, and instead of just pumping it straight into our fuel tanks with all the shit in it, all I do is just pump it out of the jerry straight through this system here and then into the tanks. So it's just, I don't know, just a little bit of preventative maintenance rather than having to clog up all of our fuel filters down below, the pre-filters and everything. So yeah, this is the system. All up, I think this system probably only cost me, maybe $200 Australian. This was the most expensive part. The gear pump was actually quite cheap. I actually bought 2 of everything just in case it failed. So and I just wired it up to an Anderson plug, which goes to a power point at the front there. Yeah, great little system. Gives me peace of mind, knowing that I'm not putting absolute rubbish fuel into our tanks. So anyway, that one's nearly empty. I just got to go and try and get it done. This actually pumps at a ridiculous rate. It's actually really impressive. This little mechanical pump. It's got just got the worst lifting though. It struggles to actually lift the fuel from there to there, but once it gets going, it's a ripper. Yeah. Anyway, that's a little bit of a spiel on our fuel polishing system.
The highlight for me was a visit to Dom Island to stretch our legs and go visit the locals.
We might swing back in the wine side so we can get some groceries or... Look out.
Sorry. Excuse me, sir.
These children all raced out of school to come visit us and say hello.
Hello guys. Hello.
Shove it. Oh, yeah, kickflip, mate.
Oh yeah, it's back. Come on. Mine.
Yes.
Take his hand, bro. Make some mates.
I think the whole school just ran out of class.
Wow.
Whoa.
This beautiful tree in the graveyard took our breath away.
Beautiful view ruined by rubbish.
The unmistakable clack-clacking of the tok-tok could be heard all over Sorong and Dom Island.
We're on the island of Dom. Hello. Just south of Sorong. We anchored here. We anchored just here to basically come in and do our quarantine and customs check-in. And Dave from Wild One shot across to this newish looking jetty and introduced himself to the owner, whose name was Alfred. And he told us we can come and tie up for free, and that he's building a cafe, and that he's hoping that to get plenty of customers the next month. So if you do manage to sail around this area here, make sure you stop on the other side of Dom. Come over and visit Alfred. We'll show you where the jetty is. But yeah, the entire island has basically got a concrete pathway right the way around it. The people here, hello, and the people here are incredibly friendly. So walk around the entire island in about an hour, and apparently there's markets here as well. So we're going to see what the fresh food markets are like. And yeah, it's been a bit of an eye opener, I think, for our kids and the other kids here, because our two have got scooters and the other kids have got bikes, and they're all saying good day to each other and have a lot of fun. Brody's got a skateboard, which he's reluctant to ride because the roads
It's a bit bumpy.
bugging. Yeah.
Hello.
But yeah, it's a beautiful little island. Everyone's really friendly, so can't complain. And it's good to get off our asses and go for a walk.
Yeah, even though it's hot.
Yeah, bloody hot. All fresh fruit and veg, beautiful. This is it. This is the new coming cafe. That's Alfred, the new owner. Alfred, say good day.
Hello.
Speaks fantastic English, and this is his new
Roger Rampa.
cafe. Yeah,
He's making it
it's gonna be a little mini.
right.
So there's the anchorage right there, and Alfred said that it's okay to tie up here, which is fantastic. It's called, it's Sahara Jetty. Is that right? Sahara Jetty. Yeah, all out of the photos. Once he's finished, this will be absolutely beautiful, because the anchorage being so close, and he's building all the jetties out here, which are just, it's going to be incredible. He's feeding all the fish and bringing everything up underneath. So yeah, if you're in Sorong, anchor just off Dom Island, and look for Alfred's Sahara Jetty. It's fantastic. And this is the man here, Alfred. Make sure you say good day.
Bye. Bye.
Thanks for watching, and welcome to all our new subscribers. See you next time.